In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed YouTube videos in Figma and Figjam. It's a straightforward process that will take just 5 minutes, so let's dive right in. First, we'll start by heading over to Figma, the collaborative interface design tool that many of you are likely familiar with. Open up your browser and type in the Figma website URL. Once you're there, look for the login button, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. If you're not logged in already, go ahead and log in using your credentials. If you're new to Figma, you'll need to create an account first, but for today's tutorial, let's assume you're already set up. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Figma homepage. From here, we want to navigate to the design section. This is where all of your exciting creativity happens. Click on design to enter into the workspace where you can carry out your design projects. If you have multiple files, you might have to open an existing project or start a new one depending on your needs. Now once you're in the design view, it's time to take action. You'll want to look around for the action menu, which is generally at the top or side of your workspace. It's your main hub for initiating different functionalities within Figma. Once you find it, click on it to explore the available options. Next, we're going to utilize the search feature to look for a specific plugin. Type in insert YouTube in the search bar. This is a useful search for locating the tool you need to easily embed YouTube videos directly into your Figma or Figjam files. As you type, suggestions will begin to appear based on what you're entering. You're looking for one specific option, so be sure to choose the right one. Once you see insert YouTube and Vimeo video from the list of suggestions, click on it. This is the plugin we'll be using today to get those video assets embedded directly into your project. Clicking it will initiate the plugin and give you the ability to access videos from these popular platforms. And there you have it. Through these simple steps, you can now seamlessly embed YouTube videos within your Figma or Figjam workspace. This is particularly useful for presentations or collaborative sessions where visual elements can enhance the understanding of your designs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to try embedding different videos to see how they look within your projects. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in enriching your design experience.